Hey guys, welcome back to another empowering technology tutorial. Today we are inside of Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud, and I'm going to show you how to design your very own thumbnail for your YouTube videos at the highest quality that YouTube allows us to upload. Let's just dive right on into it and let's get started. First thing you're going to do is go to File, New, and mine are already set up, but you're going to want to change the width to 1920 pixels and the height to 1080 pixels. This will allow you to create the highest quality thumbnail that you can possibly create at YouTube standards to this day. And I'm going to go ahead and change my name to YouTube Thumbnail. Go ahead and click OK. And the resolution, real quick, the resolution at 300 is fine for what we're doing. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is unlock this background so we can start designing on it. So go ahead and double click on the background, click OK. This unlocks it. Okay, background's unlocked. We're ready to get rocking and rolling. Guys, I can't stress this enough. You do not want to waste any space in here. You want to use this full area for your design. You don't want this laying over top of your YouTube video with white going around the edges. It's not going to look good, and it is proven that the brighter, the more attractive your thumbnail, the more likely somebody's going to click on that and view your video. Unfortunately, it's not so much the content, but first thing that they see when they come across your video. So if you make it look really enticing, really bright, you have better chances of somebody clicking on your video. What I like to do is I like to put a nice gradient overlay across my full background. How do you do that? I'm going to show you. You're going to go to Layer, you're going to come down to Layer Style, and slide over to Blending Options. Click on Blending Options. Come down to Gradient Overlay. Click on it. I'm going to change this from this gray background to something else. So how do you do that? You double click on that color. Now you can change this to whatever you like. You also have some preset options up here if you want to do that. I think I'm going to go ahead and go with this preset red and black, but if you wanted to change this to something totally new, you can just double click on the little stopper, pick your color, hit OK, and as you see, it's changing color as I'm doing that. If you want to add another stop, just click in the spot that you want to add the stop, double click on it, change the color to something else, nice dark blood red, whatever you want. That's how you do it. I'm going to use a preset that I already have. Click OK. Now, next thing, let's add an inner glow. It just kind of gives the edges a little more of a standout. For this, because my background is so dark, I'm going to leave this inner glow to what it's already preset at, and that is this color right here. If you want to change your inner glow to another color, just double click right here. It'll bring you to this area, and you can play around with some of these options. You can change the blend mode from screen to normal. I like to use darken and bring my up to about 85%. Go ahead and click OK. Alright, now we have our gradient overlay covering the full area that we have to design on. That's great, but this alone is not going to attract people to want to look at your video. They have no idea what it's about. And that brings me to my next point. When you design your thumbnail, you need to design it geared toward whatever your video is about. I'm actually designing this thumbnail for this video. So therefore, mine is going to be about YouTube thumbnails. I would not design a thumbnail and put dogs and cats all over it and put that on my YouTube thumbnail video and expect people to get what I'm trying to put out there. So what I'm saying is always design your thumbnail geared towards whatever your video is about. Common sense, I know, but I just figured I'd throw that out there. Let's go ahead and add some text to it. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to go through every little step with you. I am going to cut away and come back. I assume that you already know how to add text. If you want to add a picture to it, download it from the internet. I assume that you already know how to do all of these things. There's your high quality YouTube thumbnail. And again, guys, like I said, you can do whatever you like, add whatever design you want to it. For my purpose and intent, this is what I'm trying to get through to the viewers. It's all about creating high quality YouTube thumbnails. This about wraps it up for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. And again, guys, please, I can't stress this enough. Please give me a quick thumbs up on this video. It really helps me to continue to create these tutorials for you. And until next time, be safe, take care, and thanks for watching.